Hey, I'm Brendan. I'm a fireman, a veteran, a dad, and well, a bit of an adrenaline junkie. You see, here at work, I don't get to choose when the tones drop, when things go bad, when the fear kicks in. But now I do. Right now, we're on the island of Oahu, which seems like a place where you're supposed to relax. Not throw yourself out of the sky. But today, we're at Go Jump Hawaii, and 18,000 feet sounded like a good idea.
Yeah, you set to go Halo, which is the 18,000.
Oh yeah.
You're about to have an epic jump. If I could go with you, I could.
That's awesome.
Perfect.
All right.
Brendan, I have 2 boarding passes.
Okay. Wish me luck. I know. This is the part where you sign something that says, if anything goes horribly wrong, it's on you. Does anyone ever read the whole thing? I read the good parts. So this is the position, which seems simple, until your brain realizes that you're free falling from space. You know, me nervous? No, why?
Brendan?
I am Brendan. Nice to meet you.
Tim, let me jump with you. I'm going to check this out and just ask you if everything is spelled correctly.
Yes.
All right, I'm going to take this one.
Okay.
All right, sit down. Was this your first jump?
Yes.
How do you feel about it?
I'm very nervous, but you seem pretty cool.
Why
So
are you nervous, man?
I think it's excitement. Yeah. How many times have you jumped today? Nice. And you do that every day.
Last 14 years.
That's incredible.
Oh, yeah. Go ahead and widen your stance. You should be pretty tight,
Okay.
pretty snug, but not uncomfortable. For the jump today, we're going to hold on to that harness right at the chest. You're going to practice being a banana.
A banana. Okay.
Yeah, do you understand what I'm saying? You're going to push those hips forward, lean back, chin up, and march.
Okay.
Alrighty. Harness is good to go. Let's practice what we're talking about for that exit. We'll hold on to the harness right here at our chest.
Okay.
We'll do a seated exit today.
Okay.
So you're gonna hold on to that harness, we'll slide towards the door. We'll take a seat. Your feet are actually gonna go outside the aircraft, okay?
Okay.
So we take that seat, put your feet outside. We're gonna do a ready, set, go. As we leave, we're gonna push those hips forward.
Okay.
Lean back, pick the chin up. Hold that position, keep your chin up. Tap it on the shoulders. That's when you let go of the harness.
Okay.
Arms out to side, just like that. Okay.
Okay.
In free fall, taps on the head, just a reminder to keep your chin up. Look
Okay.
down before you back your head.
Okay.
Also, looks like sets when we do an outside video, so keep that chin up, wave at them, throw some peace signs, shaka.
Cool.
Whatever you want to, okay?
It seems easy
It is.
until we're 18,000 feet in the air.
Take a deep breath, relax.
Cool, man.
Well, hey, man, this is Seth.
Seth, I'm Brendan. Nice to meet you.
Oh, yeah, I'll be your video guy.
Nice.
Yep, he's gonna come take over, and I'll be right back with you, okay?
Thank you.
Nice to meet you, Brendan.
Nice to meet you.
All right, brother, let's take a few photos over here, yeah?
All right. Okay, cool.
All right, couple quick hands. Here, aloha, brother. Welcome to Go Jump. How we doing today?
We're doing good today.
There we go. We came all the way out to Oahu for just to skydive. How we feel about it?
I am confident,
There
but
we go.
nervous.
That's a good thing.
Natural.
You don't have to do much. Tim's going to get you back safe. Have you done this before?
Never done this before.
All right, you're picking the right place to start. You got any last words before we go up there?
Let's do this. I am ready.
All right. Follow me. I'm heading out, Seth.
Me too, Seth. This is when it starts to like feel real. We're waiting for the airplane. Still nervous, but nothing's gonna happen. Everything's gonna be fun. Jace, I'm about to jump out of a plane, 18,000 feet. I love you, kid, okay? Yes, sir. baby. Oh my God. Parachute above our head. Turn to the right. Pull down that right hand. Go for it.
Now they're ruins of something we feel. It's so nice to get away. Just this is incredible. Just for a day.
I've never cried this close to another man.
Past the signs, over the border.
We're brothers now, dude. I love you, dog. I love you, man.
Today's a beautiful day. Why would anyone take that away? Can we stay? Let's just stay. It's a beautiful day. We rode our bikes down broken streets. We chased the sun, chased the sun. The day was great, we made it shine. And you were mine. The world outside can fall apart. I don't care, as long as I can have your heart. 'Cause you have mine, you have mine.
You got Brennan back to Earth.
We're here, baby.
Welcome
We did
back,
it.
my guy. How was that?
Thank you, guys. I love you.
Yes, sir. We love you too. We just went 18K over North Shore Oahu. What was the best part of that?
The best part. The whole thing is the best part.
There we go.
I met Tim, I met Seth, right?
There we go. We're best friends now. 2 skydives in one, pretty much there. You rocked it, brother. Thanks for coming out to Go Jump Hawaii. We will see you next time. We're not scared anymore.
We did it, guys. 18,000 feet. Oh, I gotta hug my mother. That's the scariest thing I've ever done. I can't believe you guys did this. I respect that so much. I thought my job was scary, man.
It's getting better and better.
Holy sh**. Wow, that's awesome. Physically cannot stand. Like, you can't tell I was crying, right?
Oh, did you spell correctly?
That's it.
This is what we did.
That's so cool.
Sure, go jump in Hawaii. It's me. It's the plane we jumped out of at 18,000 feet.
I'm a
Take
skydiver.
your shirt off.
No. We did it.
We did it. Fucking the family, brother. Nice to meet you.
I love you. Nice to meet you.
Love you, brother. You guys take care. Have fun out there.
You rock it,
Thank you.
Glad we're
Love you
alive.
guys.
We'll see you soon. Bring it
Thank
back
you.
here. It's good to see you guys. You guys have a good one.
How do you feel?
I feel like $1 million. I've never felt anything like it. All right, we did it. We came to Go Jump Hawaii. We met Tim. We met Seth. We jumped from 18,000 feet. I'm still shaking. But they said I'm part of the family. They said they love me. They said come back. So I think it's official.
Breaking hearts.